Welcome to the broadcast. Our sign language interpreter tonight is Meresha Owiti. Let's begin here in Nairobi. The government has announced the first death of a coronavirus patient. In a statement signed by Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe, the 66-year-old Kenyan man was admitted at the Aga Khan University Hospital's intensive care unit. The statement further says that the deceased was suffering from diabetes before he contracted the coronavirus. He arrived in the country on the 13th of this month from South Africa via Swaziland.